Data forms the basis for all Grasshopper definitions. Different components will ask for different data in order to operate. We should now be able to go through any component and understand what it needs. For example, I just picked one here at random. I know that it needs a point, it needs an integer, and it needs a boolean, true or false. And it creates a surface. That means down the line here, I can connect the result to any other component that would need a surface. And in front here, I can connect any component that can create points, or can determine integers, or can determine booleans. Of course, we should play around with components in order to understand that we have the proper configuration of this data so that it works. We know that we can start to enter that data through params, primitive, and geometry parameters. We can also create some interaction with some of the input elements like the number slider, Boolean toggle, button, and we've used the panel quite a bit. We can reference Rhino geometry by using the point, curve, mesh, surface, or BREP components, or the generic geometry component. What I'd like you to do, I'd like you to open up the definition that we did in the exercise and play around with it. Try to, instead of looking at, for example, the height, and I'll open it here, maybe try and convert the value of the normals to colors. For example, the normals compared to a z and an angle. Try to measure the angle between a unit z vector and the normal and see if you can convert that to a color.